Let's just say you got a new car with a new color. At least it's new to you. But you look just like everybody else on the road with that same make and model you got. That's stock. What if you got a new car with a new custom wrap color? That's different. Today's project, we got a Lexus that came in for a new look. Now you're looking at this Lexus like, it already looks good. And I'm with you on that, especially with them black chrome rims down there. But we got something special, man, because this silver grayish tone on this Lexus has another vehicle and another and another and another that looks just like it. Here at New Touch Auto, we make you stand out from the rest, which is exactly what we're gonna do with this one. Now the object is to install a vinyl wrap that has rainbow colors that'll shoot all through this vehicle, that reflects in the sunlight or any light that hits. Now, this is not a tutorial, y'all. This here is just a motivational video that give you an idea of what you can do to your vehicle, or even if you want to start your own business. So I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride. Let's go. All right, so that concludes the end of the video. And what I like to do is take you on a tour to show you exactly what we did to this vehicle. Let's go. So here we have the Lexus IS 350 model. Very curvaceous vehicle, man. This here is really a perfect vehicle for this type of wrap. Now this is a vinyl wrap with a holographic effect. And as you see, those curves hit every time with that holographic effect. Now the sun is behind the clouds and then it goes out of the clouds. Currently it's out of the clouds, so therefore you're gonna see more of that holographic effect. But when the sun goes behind the clouds or it's dark, you won't see that holographic effect unless light hits it. Now the front grille, I always like the Lexus front grills on their newer model vehicles. They always had a nice look. So this one right here is perfect. We swing around, the sun is behind the cloud, and you see the rainbow effect is settled down. Now that's what you want. That's not too much on this vehicle. Like I said, it's not much you need to do. They already have the black chrome rims. We kept those the same because they set the vehicle off. You can't cover those up. Keep those out. Work all the way around, and you see the silver base with no effect. That's because the sun is behind the clouds. You look around the window trim, we did the gloss black. Got rid of the chrome because no chrome is needed. Nah, man, you don't put no chrome on that. Everything's solid. Not too many colors. Make our way around to the back side. On the top, we got the antenna, gloss black. Spoiler, we left it gloss black. And then we go around the back and we gloss black the emblems. The new Lexus IS 350. And yeah, I said new because you won't see another vehicle on the road that looks like this one right here. Not with that color right there. Why? Because custom wraps matter. If you're interested in one of these t-shirts and you like to purchase you one, check out our website at newtouchauto.com. You'll find that there are more options available for anything pertaining to custom wraps or automobiles. Now, tell me what you think. You think you would have just kept the original color, which is stock, look like everybody else, or you would have rocked with this new color wrap? Let me know what you think in the comments. My subscribers, I really appreciate y'all. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Hit that subscribe button down below. I'll catch y'all on the next video.